we'll make it sure na after our presentation, especially if meron tayong mga first timer, and pa-type nga dyan, ayan, number 1, if first timer ka, ayan, na-invite ka, ayan, dito sa presentation, ayan, wala pang idea or ang nag-participate. Okay, so right now, this presentation that I'll be sharing to you, okay, is that ito yung opportunity na nakatulong, no, sa marami sa amin actually. Alright? So, marami na po yung natulungan. Okay? Especially in my case din, no? So, sobrang, I could say, no, 180 degrees na nag-change din yung life ko in terms sa finances, no? Sa mindset, yan, sa skill set. To the help of this opportunity, talagang nabago po talaga yung life ko. Okay? And maganda dito kasi this is about helping people business. Alright? And right now, we are sharing this to help you kung ikaw ay isang OFW na you are looking for an extra income na pwede mong gawin sa mga bakante mong oras, well, para sa ito. If you are a single parent, okay, or a breadwinner na gusto magkaroon ng side hustle, okay, na hindi na istorbo yung ginagawa mo ngayon, well, this is for you. If you are a student also, na naghanap ng extra para makatulong sa pag-aaral mo at sa parents mo, well, definitely, this is for you. Kaya, tune in ka lang. Don't tune out because, trust me, okay, if you really understand this opportunity, this would really change your life. Okay? Ayan, ako na po magsasabi. Kaya, disclaimer, okay? This presentation that you're about to see and you're about to hear, especially to yung mga first timers right now, okay? Pag naintindihan mo, okay, yung opportunity na to, okay, your life will never be the same again. Alright? Ayan. Okay? So, ayan, thank you. Ayan, meron ba tayong mga first timer? Ayan. Okay? Yan, type nga dyan, number 1. Okay, yan, meron dito kanina nag-type. Ayan, thank you. Alright? Ayan. Okay? So, thank you sa mga nag-participate. So, syempre, okay, sisimulan na po natin ang ating presentation para I know we're all ready and iba sa atin dito is excited na rin makapakinig. Okay? So, yan, let's get started and hopefully that ano man yung ginagawa mo ngayon, alright, kung may ginagawa ka, so much better na kung kaya natin iset aside muna at mag-focus ngayon sa pakikinig. So, much better yun para mas maintindihan nyo po yung isi-share ko sa inyo. Kasi, it will be useless pagka, syempre, nakatune in ka, di ba? Kumbaga, digitally present but mentally absent. Di ba? Meron sa school, di ba? Physically present but mentally absent. Okay? Sa atin din, okay, meron din ganun, di ba? So, mas maganda na ano tayo, kumbaga, syempre, focused. Okay? Para, syempre, mas makuha po natin yung i-share ko sa inyo. Alright? Yan. So, might as well mag-take note na rin. And if you have any questions, so pwede nyo po yung i-ask right after my presentation para masagot po natin yan. Okay? So, with that, okay, before we proceed, ayan, so of course, ayan, record ko lang po ito para pwede po natin i-post sa ating YouTube channel. Alright? So, pakitype dyan po. Ayan, pakitype nga dyan. Ayan, thank you. So, right now, meron po tayong i-share na opportunity na again, life-changing. Alright? And ang opportunity na to na pinagkakaguluhan. Okay? Hindi lang po dito sa Pilipinas, kundi ng buong mundo. Because sobrang kakaiba po ng concept nito. And hindi po ito yung makita mo lang actually sa labas na mga opportunities na, get rich quick scheme. Alright? Or yung kikita ka na walang gagawin. Alright? Or magbibigay ka na ng pera, tapos lalaki na yung pera mo. Hindi po ito ganun. Okay? This opportunity is an legit opportunity na once na maintindihan mo at ginawa mo at sinundan mo yung mga gagawin, pwede makatulong sa'yo. Alright? Kung gusto ng extra income, kung gusto mo ng pagbabago sa life mo, especially sa finances mo, well, para sa ito. Alright? So, before we proceed, so, syempre, magpapakilala muna ako sa inyo para, okay, magkaroon kayo ng idea yan, kung sino ba yung speaker nyo ngayon. Alright? So ito na po yung pinagkakaabalahan, natin, and naging bread and butter po natin. Alright? So, I'm also the founder of my team, Zeal Empire, and currently a Platinum rank. Alright? But this presentation is not all about me. It's all about you, your goals, your dreams, kung paano ba natin yan ma-attain, okay, this year, or the years to come, through the help of this opportunity. Alright? So, before we proceed sa ating presentation proper, so meron mo tayong short disclaimer, okay? Para ma-set natin yung tamang expectation. Ano ba yung i-expect natin dito? Okay? Ano ba to? Legit ba to? Ayan, or ano ba to? Investment ba to? Okay, kikita na walang gagawin. Alright, so disclaimer po muna po tayo, no? So this presentation is intended to provide a general overview of Live Good business opportunity. It does not constitute legal, financial, or investment advice. So take note of that. All potential earnings mentioned are illustrative only and should not be considered typical. Alright? So, yung result po natin dito ay magdedepende, mag-vary depending on our time, effort, and the seriousness that we invest here. Okay? And muna akong i-share sa inyo na short video where nagsasalita po dito ay ang aming CEO, si Ben Glinsky. So, ito po yung kumbaga glimpse or bird's eye view on who and what Live Good is. So, right now, let's watch first this short video of our CEO, Ben Glinsky.
Hi, this is Ben Glinsky, founder and CEO of Live Good. Launched and run some of the most successful products and companies in the entire network marketing industry. We've helped hundreds of thousands of people all over the world generate extra income from home, paid out close to $1 billion in commissions, and have been featured all over the internet, in magazines, newspapers, even on TV. People often ask, how have our companies been so successful while thousands of others have failed? The answer is simple: timing. Recognizing trends in the network marketing industry, trends in society, trends in the economy, with inflation higher than ever, gas prices up, causing utility bills to rise, mortgage and rent payments going up, travel getting more expensive. People are looking for ways they can save money without compromising quality. Because of that, the network marketing industry is at a major crossroads. Products have become more and more overpriced just so companies can pay out big commissions and compensation plans. But with buying habits trending away from higher priced products in search of better value, that model just doesn't align with where the industry is going. In fact, if you look at some of the biggest companies in the network marketing industry, like Herbalife, USANA, and Nu Skin, their revenues are down as much as 20% from just a year ago. While companies like Walmart and Costco's revenues are up 9% and 12%. In the words of our director of network marketing, Nader Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. That's why we created Live Good. Teaming up with amazing health and wellness experts Ryan and Lisa Goodkin, we've created a line of the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet that people need. And we make them available for as much as 75% less than what other companies are charging for lower quality products. Take our organic Super Reds, for example, probably the best cardiovascular health product ever created. Higher quality with more antioxidant-packed ingredients than even best-selling non-organic Super Beets, and for less than half the price. How about CBD oil? Other companies are selling 500 milligram CBD oil for as much as $80. Ours is the highest quality CBD available anywhere, and with 750 milligrams of CBD, it's 50% stronger for just $18. Not only that, but every one of our highest quality products comes with a full 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. If you don't absolutely love any of the Live Good products that you order, simply send back the empty bottle and we'll give you a full refund. No questions asked. So what does all this mean for you? On top of having products that virtually sell themselves in a company that is perfectly aligned with shifting buying habits in the marketplace, we give you all the tools, systems, websites, videos, training, and everything you need to help you earn extra income easier and faster than any other company in the industry. In fact, this video that you're watching right now is part of the industry's most powerful Powerline driven marketing system that allows you to reserve a free temporary position in our company before you have to commit anything to getting started. What that means is when you enter your name and email on this page, we will immediately reserve you a position and show you everyone who does the same after you by placing them under you in the Powerline. Now, each Thursday night is the cutoff day to lock in your position or miss out. Everyone who locks in their position by becoming a member of Live Good for just $9.95 a month, plus a one-time $40 affiliate sign-up fee, moves to the top of the power line above everyone who waits. Those people are then placed in our fast-filling 2x14 forced matrix before all the people below them in the power line. So each person is positioned in the matrix in the highest available position following their enroller. By being a member of Live Good, you're going to save up to 75% off the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet to keep you and your family healthy. And if you happen to get some people placed under you in the matrix and you make a few extra $100 a month or a few extra $1,000 a month on top of that, even better. And the way our compensation plan works, you have the potential to earn over $2,000 a month in the matrix without ever having to enroll a single person. And if you do choose to share Live Good products and opportunity with others, you can earn significantly more. In fact, with our matching bonuses, just by enrolling one person, you double your earning potential. With millions of people joining Live Good in the next 24 months, the only place they can go in the matrix is under the ones who are already in there. So the sooner you lock in your position, the higher you'll be placed in the matrix. So fill out the form on the right, and it won't take long for you to see why people are calling Live Good the most exciting company in the industry. We'll see you at the top.
All right, see you all at the top. So at least right now, meron na kayong short idea on who and what Live Good is. So of course, sa ating presentation ngayon, mas ipapaliwanag natin yung sinabi ng ating CEO. So again, tune in ka lang, don't tune out. So welcome again, welcome to Live Good. Live Good officially launched globally on December 13, 2022. So by next month actually, magto 2 years na po si Live Good. Okay? So, Live Good is a US-based direct sales company focused in the wellness and digital service industry. Right? And here are some of the reasons why you should consider joining this amazing company. Right? So, okay, number one, we have these amazing products. Okay? So, syempre, legit company must have a products, tama? And maganda kasi sa Live Good, we have not just a products but an amazing one. Okay? Amazing products. So, ibig sabihin, hindi lang po yan yung sinasabing maganda dahil, of course, in US-based, no? Maganda because meron po tayong mga testings. Okay? So, we have third-party certifications na magpapatunay na quality yung mga products natin. Okay? And not just that, okay? Number two, incredible yung prices na meron po tayo dito. Okay? That means, okay, in short, our products are affordable. Okay? Very affordable actually. Okay? Compared to products in other companies. Okay? Kasi actually, marami namang amazing products out there, but ang problem is that mahirap i-maintain, di ba? With all the things that are happening sa ating mundo ngayon, di ba? Tumataas na yung presyo, mga bilihin, di ba? So, we can't keep up, di ba, with these prices, di ba, na nilalagay ng mga ibang companies, no? Mamahal, di ba? Ang ganda nga, pero ang mahal. Kaya, ang hirap i-maintain, tama? But dito, amazing products na, incredible prices pa. Di ba? And number 3 and 4, no auto shipping and monthly products to buy. That means na hindi ka po dito pipilitin bumili ng products every single month, no? Para ma-maintain mo yung rank mo or even ma-coin commission. Wala po tayo niyan. Okay? Number 5, 90 days empty bottle money back guarantee. So, ito rin po yung assurance natin na kung gaano tayo ka-quality. Within 90 days upon purchasing the products, okay, kung nagkaroon ka ng adverse effects sa health mo or hindi mo nagustuhan yung quality ng product, so no questions asked, Okay? So, alam mo yung lalagyan ng lalagyan ng products, no questions asked, ibabalik sa iyo ng company yung pera mo. Okay? Ganun tayo kumbaga assured no with our quality of our products. Okay? Number six, number one, business to join. So if you're looking for a company na of course that really cares about its members, no, and of course yung tipong may napatunayan na rin kahit pa paano in a short period of time, okay, consider Live Good. Okay, so ngayon, here are some of the track record na ng company in the past few months or even the past, actually, 2 years pa lang tayo, di ba? Okay, the past year, right? So, po tayo, na-rank tayo, I mean, as a triple A plus opportunity for this year, 2024. Okay, so ibig sabihin, ito ay actually, business for home po ito. Alright? So, that means na, what? Okay? Na pinagkakatiwalaan po yung company, okay? And of course, nakikita po ng Biz for Home, and by the way, sa mga kakaalam po, no, Biz for Home is, a website wherein nandun po lahat ng direct sales company globally, almost 700 companies worldwide, okay? Tinatrack po nila lahat, sales, the top earners, yung payout, no, even the news, lahat po, okay? And, okay, narang po tayo as triple A plus opportunity. Okay, so ganun po katindi. Okay, yan po yung pinakamataas actually na rating. Kumbaga, yan po ay parang sa school pa, parang 99, di ba? Parang ano yan, with highest honor, parang ganun. Okay? Ayan. So, and not just that, nung last year, 2023, is that nagkaroon po tayo ng poll or voting. And the good news is, nag-top 1 lang naman po tayo as most trusted direct sales company. Okay? Ganun katindi. And, of course, record-breaking. Record-breaking po. Why? Because sa ating first, actually, 13 months, okay? Okay, muntik na mag 1 year, okay? So, sa 13 months po natin, na-hit po ng company to ang 1 million members. So, come to think of this, di ba? Di ba? So, kung iniisip mo na baka scam to or another get rich quick scheme or another, di ba, budol or what, 'di ba? So, siguro nauna na yung 1 million members, tama? 'Di ba? So, kumbaga, para mas mabigyan kita ng tiwala, no? Okay? Guys, all right? Especially mga first timer dito, 1 million members na po meron yung company. So that means, 'di ba? Maraming tao nagtitiwala at ginagawa na. And all walks of life po 'yan. Okay? Marami po actually mga professionals na sumasali pa, di ba? You name it, doctor, lawyer, alright? Or even yung mga high-ranking professionals. Yes po. Okay? Not just here in the Philippines, but globally. Alright? And not just that, sa ating first year. So this is the good news. Why? Okay, record-breaking din kasi uh, as for me, no? Okay? Wala pa akong nabalitaan. Okay? Nabalitaan niyo ako, meron, no? But as for me, 'di ba, based sa nag-research din tayo, si Live Good lang po ang nagkaroon ng payout sa first year niya, ha, na over 50 million US dollar. That is around 2.8 billion pesos. Payout, guys. Payout, that means sa binigay po sa mga tao. Okay? Sa ibang company, pinapangarap po yan nila na sales. Right? Sales in the entire year. Okay? Iba, 5 years na, 10 years. Yan po. Yung ina nila, pinapangarap. Pero ito po, grabe. Why? In its first year, talagang sobrang generous yung company. Okay? Talagang nagbigay po talaga siya sa mga members, affiliate members, ng, kumbaga, amount na deserving, okay, para sa mga members talaga. Okay? So, imagine that ilang mga tao yung natulungan yan. Ilang mga tao ang nag nag-million. 'Di ba? Sobrang dami, as in sobrang dami talaga natulungan. Okay, and marami pa yan, but here are kumbaga some of the naging record na kumbaga para mas maintindihan mo, okay? And mas kumbaga magtiwala ka, no? All right? Sa opportunity to. Okay? So, here are our corporate team. So, sa mga first timers, no, before joining or jumping in an opportunity, so titingnan nyo po always, no, yung tinatawag na 3 P's. Okay? 3 P's, company profile, company products, and company pay plan. Profile, sino ba yung nagpapatakbo, okay, sa kumpanyang yan? Okay? Kung walang nagpapakita, nako, tumakbo ka na. Okay? Kasi it won't last long. Okay? Okay? So, kailangan talaga kilalanin muna natin yung nagpapatakbo kasi leaders, okay, are the one na nagli-lead, 'di ba? So, 'di ba kung hindi natin kilala, 'di ba? Ayun natin masayang effort, tama? Gusto natin yung pang long term. And I'm glad to share to you, okay, starting from our CEO, Ben Glinsky. Okay, siya po yung nagsalita kanina sa video. Alright, so he has over 20 years of experience owning and running some of the most successful companies in the nutritional supplement industry. Okay, so ibig sabihin, hindi po siya baguhan sa itong industriya. Alam niya po yung ginagawa niya. Okay? Kasi mayroong mga ibang, okay, I won't mention any company, no? So, kumbaga, mayroong iba na, di ba, pinag-experimentuhan lang, di ba? Experimentuhan. So, dito, okay, ma-sure natin na we are on the right track. We are on the right hand. Kasi, CEO pa lang natin, may experience niya. Okay? Alam niya po yung ginagawa niya. Alam niya po yung magpatakbo talaga ng totoong ganitong negosyo sa itong industriya. Right? And he's very genius, no? Kasi first time na nagkaroon ng ganitong concept ng business, no? Which I'll be sharing later on. Okay? So, as in, no? And of course, very transparent. Maririnig po natin siya sa ating mga Zoom call sa company, no? And talagang yung heart niya, no, na tumulong sa mga tao, no? Andyan. Okay? Ayan. So, ayan po, ating CEO. Ben Glinsky. Kumbaga inano nga siya ng ating ano ating co-founder din and itong si Noder actually. Siya po yung kumbaga um Elon Musk. Alright, Elon Musk of direct selling. Okay? So itong si Noder po 30 years naman po yung experience niya, 30 plus years na sa itong klaseng industry. So, siya po yung ating Director of Field Development. So, icon na po siya sa ganitong klaseng business and he has coached, trained, and helped thousands of people globally. Okay? And is continuing to do that, okay, dito sa uh, ating company, dito sa Live Good. Okay? And we also have our product developer and product educator, okay? Directors of product development and product education, si Dr. Ryan and Lisa Goodkin. So, ang maganda po sa kanila is that meron po silang background when it comes to health and wellness. Okay? And of course, sa health and wellness space din, okay, na hindi lang sa pagiging healthy, no, kundi sa mga food din, no, okay? Ayan, ano yung mga healthy, ano yung mga hindi. Okay? So, sila po yung, specifically actually si Doc Ryan yung nagpo-formulate talaga. Okay? And di basta-basta, of course, he's a doctor, alright? May background din siya as being natural health practitioner and as well as pharmacist. So, alam niya po yung mga do's and don'ts, yung mga pwede at yung mga hindi, okay, na yung maganda, yung mga hindi, para sa health natin. Kaya nga, okay, ginawa po itong company ito para matulungan talaga yung mga tao maging healthy, but in affordable way. Okay? Si Lisa Goodkin naman siya yung in charge para sa pagtulong sa pag-educate, okay, sa ating lahat when it comes sa ating mga products and of course sa ating health. Alright? So ano ba yung goal natin? Simple lang to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. Okay? To help people earn easier and faster than any other company in the industry. So right now we have over 25 life-changing products. Alright? So, made in the US and certified by the GMP and USDA, lab tested for purity and potency. So, ayun yung sinabi ko. So, highest quality po talaga kasi meron tayong certifications. Alright? Ayan. So, yun po. And, of course, we are legit. Okay? Legal po tayo sa Florida. Okay? Doon po tayo talaga naka-register but we can do this business online. Right? Globally. Okay? Ayan. So, our products are also, ayan, kumbaga meron tayong mga certification. So, hindi ko na po ito may isa-isa. So, it only tells na quality, okay, and at the same time, organic yung mga products natin. Okay, ibig sabihin, walang insecticide, pesticide, herbicide, or any other ng mga mga heavy metals na, pwede makasira sa katawan natin. So, again, high quality yung mga products. And, of course, okay, maganda kasi, yun nga, high quality na, tapos organic. Yan, okay? Yan, so we have wellness for all. So, of course, iba-iba naman yung pangangailangan natin. We have men's health, nutrition, women's health, skincare, body cleansing, anti-aging, immunity, weight management, and energy. Okay? So, paano ba mag-order ng products? You can order as a consumer or member. Consumer pay retail low prices while members pay much lower prices. Okay? So, here are the comparisons of member price and retail price. And the best part here, kasi sa Live Good, members save up to 75%. Yes, you heard it right. 75% compared to products in other companies. Okay? Ganun kaganda. So, for example, itong ating multivitamins, no? Ayan. So, alam nyo ba sa ibang company, binibenta nila to around 1.5, 60 capsules ha, 1.5, 2,000 or mga around ganun, no? Pero sa atin, dito pag nag-member ka, alam nyo magkano lang? Okay? Almost 600 pesos. Ganun kalupit, no? Imagine mo, high quality. Okay? High quality, organic, tapos affordable. So, why is it possible? Kasi nga, this is a different concept of business. Okay? Ibang konsepto po ito. Okay? Makabago na po. Okay? Updated na, upgraded. Okay? Ayan. So, we also have our coffee, magnesium, okay, CBD oil, and we also have vitamin D3, K2. Alright? So, if you want to know more about our products, so you can visit our website, no? And you can check. Andun po lahat actually, www.livegood.com. So, andun po lahat ng information, okay? Sa pricing, comparison, sa benefits, and everything. Okay? So, ito na po yung comparison ng ating mga products compared to other companies, no? So, we have essential oils, right? So, other companies, they sold their essential oils around 209 to 250 plus, no? Alam niyo sa atin magkano lang? 49.95. Imagine mo, high quality. Ang matindi dito, why? Yung essential oil natin, grabe po yung lalagyan. Para po siyang, alam mo yun, mamahaling cellphone. Okay, yung iPhone, parang ganun. Okay? Ayan. So, as in, ang ganda. Okay, ang ganda ng lalagyan niya. Tapos, grabe, affordable. Alright? So, we also have our greens. Ayan, sa mga favorite, ano natin talaga, favorite na natin beverage, no? So, juice po yan, powder, okay, tinitimpla para, no, ginu-juice, okay? So, other companies, they sold their greens around 70 to 100 US dollar, while here in Live Good, around 18. Ayun, magkano? Ito, sikat na sikat to dito sa atin, sa Pilipinas, di ba? Yung mga barley, yan, marami tayong nakikita dyan sa social media, sa Facebook, no? Maraming companies na nag-o-offer din dito sa atin. Itong sa atin, hindi lang po barley meron dyan. Ang dami. Okay? Ang dami po. Alright? Ayan. And the best part here is that, alam niyo magkano lang? Good for 30 days ha. Good for 30 days. Magugulat ka. Magkano? Okay? Umaabot lang. Pag nag-member ka, umaabot lang ng 1,000 pesos. Alam niyo sa iba, ano lang yan? 10 days lang. Good for 10 days. 1,000 pesos mo. Okay? Ayan. Pero sa atin, good for 30 days na. Grabe, no? And di lang barley, ang dami, okay? Merong chlorella, alfalfa, wheatgrass, ayan, may spirulina, yan, may moringa, as in, okay, completos recados. Okay? And also have our collagen, okay? Sa ibang companies, they sold their collagen around 70 to 80 US dollars. Sa atin, 27.95. Okay? And we also have creatine plus HMB. Okay? Around 49 to 65 US dollar naman sa ibang company, while here in Live Good, around 19.95 lang. Okay? Imagine mo, high quality na, affordable pa. So, saan ka pa? Alright, so, ito yung sobra ding na-appreciate ko. Okay, kasi kabago-bago ng company, Live Good is available in over, actually, binilang ko okay? According sa ating website, binilang ko, 220 countries. Yes, you heard it right. 220 countries. As in, na-mind blown ako. Why? Marami ako nakikita mga companies, ang tatagal na, alam nyo ilang countries lang sila available? Ano ba, merong 20, merong 50, meron namang, actually, meron namang 100, 120, ganun. But here in Live Good, grabe. Global po talaga. 220 countries. As in, I was shocked, okay? Kasi bihira lang yung ganito eh, tas bago. Bago. Alright? Ibig sabihin, when we say global business, okay? When we say global business is that, yun nga, magagawa natin yung business, matatanggap natin yung products, makukuha din natin yung commission natin. Yes, that's literally global business talaga. Okay? Ganun kalupit. Alright? Ayan. And, ito po yung some of our partners globally. We have in US, Vietnam, in South Africa, Thailand, of course, in the Philippines, Italy, China, ayan, India, Kazakhstan, ayan, marami pa, South Korea. As in, ang dami, global po talaga. Okay? Ayan. So, ganun kalupit. And ito matindi kasi, bago pa lang yung company. As in, mind-blowing, no? Mind-blowing pa talaga. Okay? Kaya talagang skyrocket po yung growth ng company. So, ano ba yung business model, alright, ng ating company? Alright? So, ito para mas maintindihan nyo, sisimplihan lang po natin. And, I know for sure na ikaw, ginagawa mo na rin to. At meron ka na rin nito. Alright? Aminin mo man sa hindi, meron ka na nito. Ano ba to? Subscription. Diba, hindi yung sa YouTube pipindot ka magsusubscribe, hindi po yun. Okay? Subscription business model are based on the idea of selling a product or service to receive monthly or yearly recurring subscription revenue. Okay? So, paano ba yan? Yan. So, ito, alam ko, familiar tayo. Okay? Baka mamaya, nakasubscribe ka sa kahit isa dito, no? Ayan, ito, Amazon. Okay? Yan, para may free shipping ka, may discount ka. Di ba, nagsusubscribe yan? Di ba? Itong Netflix, Disney Plus. Ayan, 'di ba? Para maka-access ka ng unlimited movies. Yan, unlimited movies na mga gusto mo. So subscribe ka diyan, 'di ba? Ayan. Oh, ito naman para may discount ka sa mga products, Sam's Club and Costco. Ayan, 'di ba? Oh, tong Rocket Car Wash, yan kay Jason Derulo. Yan para unlimited car wash ka. Ayan, magsusubscribe ka talaga, babayad ka every month. Tama? Oh, ano pa ibang mga sample? Ayan, simplihan natin. Ayan, prime water, nagbabayad ka ng tubig mo, Meralco, or naglo-load ka, nagbabayad ka ng internet mo, or even naghuhulog ka sa SSS, GSIS. So, parang na-consider din nga rin siya na subscription eh. Why? Kasi meron, kumbaga, in-exchange na, kumbaga, kapalit. Okay? Kung nagbabayad tayo, tapos meron tayong in-expect na kapalit, di ba? Na benefits. Okay? Ganun po. Ayan. So, hopefully mas naintindihan nyo po, no? Ayan. So, ito po, ayan, here are some of the samples ng mga companies like SNR, ayan, Landers, ayan, ito na, meron tayo ito dito sa Pilipinas, di ba? Nagsusubscribe ka per year. Ayan. Ayan, kung ganda ka naman ng katawan, di ba? Ayan, nagpapa-lose weight or manage yung weight mo. Ayan, itong mga gym, di ba? Nagbabayad yan every month. Amazon Prime, Netflix, yun, kung gusto mo ng discount naman sa Costco, 'di ba? So monthly or yearly nagbabayad diyan. Pero alam mo ba, Netflix, 'di ba? Hindi ka aware magkano binabayaran? Siguro around 600 o 5 pagano ba? 580, 590, 'di ba? Yung binabayaran mo every month. Alam mo ba, there are about 260 million subscribers globally sa Netflix. And yung revenue niya last year to last year 2023, umabot pa ng 33 billion US dollar. Ang matindi nito kasi yung net profit niya umabot lang naman ng 5.4 billion. Ganun kalupit. Okay? Ganun katindi. 'Di ba? Ang yaman na may-ari. 'Di ba? Itong Costco, 127 million members. Around 4.5 billion US dollar in revenue, membership fees. Okay? Though these companies offer amazing products and services, they don't have what Live with us, a membership that pays. Ayan. O, paano ba yan? Okay? O, Live Good versus other companies, di ba? Ibang companies, no doubt naman actually, they offer amazing products and of course, amazing services. Okay? No doubt yan. But, ito yung lamang natin dito sa Live Good. We have income. Why? Here in Live Good, you can be a consumer, member, affiliate, part owner, and even shareholder. Wait. Shareholder, is that, di ba pang ano lang yan, pang CEO, di ba pang may-ari, di ba? May-ari ng company. Yes, para kang ano, actually, para kang may-ari na ng company. Parang shareholder talaga. Di ba? Paano yan? Oh, later, ipapaliwanag natin. Okay? So, hopefully that nakafocus ka pa. para ma-absorb mo talaga to. Okay? Ayan. So, tatanungin muna kita before we proceed, okay, sa pangatlong P. Okay? Which is the pay plan ng company. Would you like to earn up to $2,000 or more? Yan. Or more per month. Yan. O sinong gustong kumita? Yan, ng dolyares. So, type mo dyan. Type me. Di ba? Hindi naman sa pagiging mukhang pera, pero parang gano'n na rin. Okay? So, kidding aside, no? So, kumbaga, syempre, sa panahon natin ngayon, di ba? So, mas maganda na yung sobra in terms sa pera, of course. Di ba? Kaysa kinukulang. Tama? So, for those interested in earning with this amazing company, live good, stay for the second part of the presentation. Alright? So, paano ba maging affiliate member? Okay? Affiliate member. So, we have two options. Like any other subscription companies or club membership companies, may options, di ba? Monthly or yearly. Same here in Live Good. So, now, option number one, we have monthly. Okay? Meron tayong one-time affiliate fee na $40. One time lang yan sa buong buhay natin. And monthly membership fee na 9.95. Yan po i-maintain natin every month. So, around 2,900. Okay? Approximately. Actually, medyo tumataas ngayon yung value. Umabot na po ng 3,000. Okay? So, kaya approximately po yan. Approximate na ano, na value. Okay? And in our succeeding months, that is 9.95 or 580, 590 pesos. Okay? Ayan. So, yan po. Okay? But, if gusto mong mas walang masyadong isipin monthly and makatipid, I suggest you go for annual. Okay? Or yearly. Bakit? Magkano ba yung annual natin? So, one-time affiliate fee, same pa rin na $40. Yan. But, yung nag-iba lang kasi yearly. Na binayaran mo isang taon yung membership fee mo. So, that is around 139.85 or 8,000 plus. Okay? 8,120 or 8,150 approximately. Okay? Ang mga nito sa yearly kasi, of course, wala ka nang isipin monthly and nakatipid ka pa ng 2 months. Kasi instead na 12 months yung binayaran mo lang actually is 10 months. Yung 2 months, binigay ng company sa'yo ng libre. Di ba? O, gusto natin libre, tama? O, mag-annual ka para yung 2 months mo, libre na. Okay? O, nakasave ka pa ng $20. Alright? So, ano ba yung benefits of being an affiliate member? Okay? So, you can access to the membership club. So, lahat ng mga products natin and even soon mga services, you can access to all of that. And we also have digital marketing products. Okay? So, lahat ng mga i-release ng company ng mga system, tools, magagamit po natin yan. Okay? With the funnel. Okay? We also have the best part here kasi as in, talagang andyan po talaga yung support ng company. We have not just one, two, three. We have actually seven ba? Or eight actually. Eight replicated website na. Okay? Ganun katindi. Ganun ka-support yung company. Okay? Free online training via Zoom. We also have lifetime support and save up to 75% on our products. And we also have 8 ways to earn. Okay, so andito na tayo sa exciting part. Again, focus ka para makuha mo talaga to. Alright? So, here are some of the advantages, okay, of this company. Okay, number one, wala na tayong product package. Na-eliminate na natin yan. Hindi po tayo dito ipupush na magbenta-benta. Alright? So, tapos na po yan. Okay? Ayan. So, again, okay, wala kang, dito, kumbaga, package, no, na ibebenta mo. Wala po yan. Okay? And overpriced products, yan. Tinapos na po natin yan kasi we are a club membership like SNR, Landers, Costco in the US. Yun po, actually, yung, natin, kumbaga, similarity. Okay? Similar na kumbaga, concept. Okay? Ayan. And of course, left and right pairing. So, hindi mo na kailangan dito na mag-left or right para bumanggat, kumita ka. Wala na yan. Okay? Wala na ring monthly maintenance sa Unilevel para makuha yung commission mo. Maintain yung rank, wala na rin yan. Fifth pair incentive. Yan. Instead nakita mo na, ginawa pang points. Yan. O sa mga may experience na sa mga ibang company, no? Ayan. Di ba? O relate ba? Wala na po yan. Okay? Dito, unlimited. Di ba? Ito, tinanggalan natin limit of encoding. Di ba? Dito, unlimited. Mag-encode ka na mag-encode hanggat sa gusto mo. Okay? And wala na ring flash out. Okay? Hindi ka na mangangambang baka mamula o mag-back to zero. Okay? Di ba? Income mo na pinaghirapan ng ilang buwan, mawawala lang dahil sa pagkakamali ng team mo. Di ba? Magagalit ka pa. Ayan, yan only if you know, you know. Okay? Ayan. So, unexplained deductions, we are very transparent. Nasa back office po natin lahat and of course, no multiple accounts. So, of course, we're a club membership so one account is enough. One account is enough para mabigay sa'yo ng magandang result dito. Okay? And of course, wala na ring delayed payout. Ang maganda dito sa company to, hindi man on time, advance pa binibigay yung payout. Okay? Magto 2 years na yung company pero never nag-miss po yung company na magpigita ng payout. Okay? So here are some of the sample of our websites na provided by the company. Again, this is replicated website. Ibig sabihin, yung replicated, provide ng company, magagamit mo as tool. Okay? As tool para is mag-share sa ibang tao. Alright? And ang maganito kasi customize siya. May pangalan mo. Kaya replicated. From company, pinagamit sa'yo, pangalan mo. Yung andyan. Do you get? Okay? So we have Live Good Company site, 'di ba? All about the company, no? And Powerline landing page yung nagsasalita po kanina yung si CEO Ben Glinsky nandiyan po sa landing page po natin, English and Spanish. Okay? We also have our retail site. Okay? Ang baga nito kasi 220 countries available tayo. Okay? And of course, dropshipping and e-commerce ready na. Okay? Yan, if you know, you know. Okay? To product site, ayan, our greens and reds, meron po tayong product explainer about dyan sa website. Okay? So, pag na-share mo, pag nag-order sila, yan. So, pwede nilang, pwede silang mag-order doon. Okay? And we also have a Live Good Clinic site. And yung latest natin, di ko pa na-include, no? Yung ating Live Good Health Assessment. Ayan, no? So, grabe. At mas madadagdagan pa yan in the future. So, ganun po ka all out. Okay? All out mag-provide ng support yung company. Alright? Ayan. So, here are, ayan, mayroon pa tayong mga trainings, yan, provided. And, andito na tayo. Ayan, sa exciting talaga na part. Okay? Yung ways to earn. Okay, so we have 8 pero yung mas i-focus natin yung fast start, ayan, yung matching matrix and bonus pools. And the rest of that actually explain naman natin mamaya. Pero doon tayo mag-focus. Alright? Ang ating structure po dito ay dalawa na lang. We have unilevel and forced matrix. Okay? So, ang ating una is the fast start bonus. Okay? Yung fast start, yan which is other term namin po na quick money. If you want to earn fast, okay? Maganito, you have to share. Okay? Mag-share ka lang. Okay? Ngayon, pag nag-share ka and nag-sign up o nag-enroll, should I say, nag-enroll sila sa link mo, nagbayad sila ng 14.85 or 2,950. Ayan, 2,950 sa'yo or 3,000. Okay, let's say 3,000 na lang, no? Approximately 3,000 pesos. So, what will gonna happen in the following week, okay, kasi weekly to binibigay, you be paid $25. Okay? Ayan. Maganito kasi, apat lang na napa-join mo, okay, apat lang, ano, ano ka na, may pang 1 year ka na. Okay? Na-gets nyo. Alright, so, yan, $100. Yan, pwede pa, yung $100 mo, pag inipon mo yan, pwede ka mag-upgrade into annual or yearly. Ayan, okay? So, kaya ba yung gawin? Kaya ba? Ayan, meron pa tayong dito ang ating top 10. As you can see, no, yung top 1 natin, grabe, matindi, 2,510 sign up. Grabe, no? Ang dami. 'Di ba? Yung ating top 10, 502 people. Ibig sabihin, personal enroll. Sila mismo nag-enroll. So, ibig sabihin, kaya talaga mag-share. Okay? So, here are some of our rank qualifications actually. So, kanina sa fast start, ang maganda kasi pag nag-rank up ka, meron ka pang nakuhang commission sa mga na-refer ng refer mo. Indirect referrals. Okay? Ayan. So, we have here, number 1, we have bronze rank. Okay, sa bronze naman, so hindi ko na to masyadong explain, no? Meron naman tayong separate training about this one. So, 2 personal enroll lang. Ibig sabihin, dalawang napa-join mo. Okay? So, yung average na kinikita ng bronze, mga 50 to 5,000 plus. Okay? Yung silver naman, okay, at least 20 na total team. Alright? Ayan. So, isa yan sa mga qualifications. Pero, meron pa yung iba. Okay? So, average na kinikita ng silver is 5,600 to 16,800. Well, ang gold naman is at least 100 total team. 28,000 to 224,000 pesos yung average na kinikita ng gold rank. Grabe, no? Hindi pa dyan nagtatapos. Meron pa tayong platinum. Yung platinum naman, around 500 naman na total team. 56 to 400,000 plus naman yung average na kinikita ng platinum. Okay? So, we also have diamond. Yan, ito po yung life-changing. Yan, as in. Kasi meron po itong talaga, kumbaga, bonus. Yung diamond naman, minimum of 2,500 na total team. Around 336 to 2.2 M naman yung kinikita ng diamond. And of course, we also have our crown diamond. And currently, the highest rank natin ngayon, no? So, 50,000 naman na total team. Okay? And yung crown diamond, around 2.8 to 4.4 M yung kinikita. Okay? Ganun kalupit. Alright. So, we also have our matrix commissions or what we call matrix money. Di po ba meron tayong monthly membership, di ba? Binabayan tayo monthly para ma-maintain yung membership natin. Tama? So, yan po yung 9.95. So, ngayon, yung matrix, lahat po tayo actually nilagay sa isang malaking matrix. Okay? Lahat po tayo. Okay? So, ngayon, yung system po yung naglalagay sa atin at sa mga sasali pa lang. So ngayon, pagka meron na tayong team under sa atin, nagbabayad sila ng subscription nila monthly, okay? Ang maganda nito kasi meron po tayong 0.25 cents or 14 pesos bawat isa. Whether na-refer mo man or hindi. Okay? So, yun po. Alright? So, ngayon, okay, pag nag-rank up tayo, maganito kasi pag, siyempre, merong, kumbaga, maximum lang yan, yung matrix natin. Yan, pag unrank ka, isa or wala pang na-refer, so pwede pa rin kumita. Okay? Pero depende po ito kung kailan. Di ko depende po ito kung, kumbaga, mabilis, alright? Yung mga nagre-refer talaga sa taas mo. So, pwede pa rin. Okay? Pwede kong kumita as much as 118,000. Okay? So, kailan ba yan kikitain? Again, wala po akong parang sagot dyan kasi depende po yan sa sipag ng nauna sa'yo or sa baba mo. Okay? Ayan. So, maganda kasi pag tinatrabaho mo talaga, mas lalaki income mo. Bronze and silver, 200 plus thousand. Gold, platinum, 400 plus thousand. Yung diamond naman, almost 7 figures na. Okay? Kaya retirement money to kasi mas ma-appreciate natin to in, in many years, okay? After many years. Okay. So, ganun po. Alright? So, ngayon, how does matrix work? So, dito makikita nyo level 1, mayroong dalawang tao. Dalawang tao lang po yan. So, kikita ka po dyan ng 0.50 cents. So, that is you. Example, nalagay yung dalawang tao na refer mo. Right? So, meron kang 0.50 cents. Sila lang kapag refer din. Okay? So, what will happen is that, ayan, kikita ka ng 0.50 cents plus $1. Okay? Pag napuno yung third level mo, okay, may 8 katao dyan, kikita ka ng 0.50, $1, $2. I-add po yan lahat. And so on. Okay? System yung maglalagay, di ka na mag-iisip, di ba? Kung lalasan mo ilalagay, again, system na. Ang mga ito kasi, less ka na isipin talagang, mag-share ka na lang. Mag-share ka na lang talaga. Okay? So, we also have, itong sobrang nakaka-excite din, tinatawag naming wealthy money. Yan. Ito talaga yung, kumbaga, actually may pinakamalaking kitaan. Okay? Matching. Okay? Matching. Okay? Hindi po yung nasa zoo, ah. Okay, so kidding aside. So, matching bonus is a monthly bonus of 50%. So, by the way, yung matrix pala kanina monthly yung binibigay on our third month. Same goes with our matching. Magkasama po yung matrix na matching na ibibigay ng company. Okay? So, ito yung sobrang talagang na-mind blown ako. Sobrang, sa term ko paano, hindi, nabaliw. Okay? Ayan, hindi nasa mental. Kumbaga talagang na-mind blown ako. Mind blowing siya. Okay? So, ito ay monthly bonus of 50% from what your directs earn every month from their matrix. Okay? So, simple lang natin. For example, ikaw yan, no? Na-refer mo si Mateo. Nakapag-build siya ng maraming subscribers under his team. Alright? Let's say on his third month or third month onwards, alright? So, kumita po siya ng 10,000 pesos sa mga subscribers niya. Okay? So, meron kang 5,000. Si Marie may 5,000, magkano sa'yo? 2,500. Lucy 15, sa'yo 7,500. Si Arthur 1K, 500 sa'yo. Si Robert naman 20,000 sa'yo. Ayan, 10,000. Alright? So, the more drinks you have, the more you earn 50% from your matching bonus. Ayan. So, you earn 25,000 plus. Lahat yan, no? And, infinite wide. Right? So, ito po yung sample natin. Actually, sa akin po ito. Okay? So, ito po yung mga, hindi po yan actually screenshot lahat. Pero, para mas mabigyan ko kayo ng idea, clear idea kung paano ba ito nag-work. For example, ito si Coach Ryan. So, actually, nag-diamond na po siya that time. Was January this year. Alright? So, kumita po siya sa matrix niya 52,000. Okay? So, as promised, sabi ng company, tulungan mo makapag-create ng maraming subscribers yung tao. Kung magkano kita niya, meron kang kalahati. Di ba? So, of course, natulungan din natin kay papaano. And of course, meron po talaga siyang initiative din. Okay? So, syempre, kumita po tayo ng 26,000. Yung kalahati. 26,000 plus. Pwede na? Oh, yung mama ko, dahil actually nag-start ako dito, naipwesto po sila. Tapos of course, sinabaho natin. So, kumita po siya actually ng 36,000. Magkano sa akin? 18. Yan, si Coach Jana. Right? Isa sa mga malupit natin leaders din. Kumita po siya ng 17, sa akin 8,000 plus. Kapatid ko, he was 19 years old. Kumita po siya ng 40,000 pesos. Grabe, no? Ayan, ang matindi. O magkano sa akin? 4,000. Okay? Kasi hindi ko po siya in-enroll eh. Ina-enroll siya ng mama ko. Okay? So, ang maganda nito, in short, hindi ka lang kikita sa mga personal enroll mo, kundi sa entire team mo. Tapos, mas malaki pa, lalaki pa yan depending on your rank. Meron kang, pwede kang magkaroon ng 10%, 5%, 3%, o 2%. Ganon. Ganon kaganda. Okay? Ayan. So, dito, we encourage, no, pag magsimula ka, we encourage na enroll ka at least dalawa. Okay? Two of your, kahit dalawa sa family mo. Hindi man lahat, kaya gaya na ginawa ko, no? Sinare ko sa mama ko, lahat talaga ng family ko pinamember eh. Alright? So, yan po yung sa case ko. But on your case, kung mabibigatan ka, so, I suggest kahit dalawa muna. Tapos, trabahoin talaga. Trabahoin din. Okay? So, pag mapuno kasi yung matrix mo as a bronze rank, 4,095.50 yung pwede mo kitain. Tapos yung dalawang family member mo, pag mapuno din yung matrix nila, tig 2,000, 2,000 plus sila sa income nila sa matrix. Kaya 4,095 combined. Tapos may matching ka pa sa kanilang dalawa na 1,000 plus, kaya 2,047.50. So all in all, kikita kayo ng buong family. Darating yung time. 'Di ba? It may take time. Okay lang, 'di ba? What is, sabihin natin 3 years, 3 to 5 years, no? Kung yan naman naghihintay, 10,000 plus US dollar or half million pesos every month. Pwede na ba? Pwede na ba, 'di ba? Kasi baka mamaya may ginagawa ka, 'di ba? Medyo matagal ka na diyan. Kasi hindi mo pa 'to kinikita. O, idagdag mo 'to, 'di ba? Mm. Dagdag mo 'to. 'Di ba? What is a billion? 3 to 5. Sabihin natin 5 years maximum. Tuloy-tuloy, dire-diretso. 'Di ba? Oh, pwede na, sulit? Of course. Sulit na sulit, tama? Oh, how much more pa pag nag-refer ka? 'Di ba? 20. So, yung 20 na yun, let's say, no, napuno din yung matrix nila, 2,047.50. So, may matching ka sa kanila, 1,000 plus. So, all in all, kikitain mo around 20,000 sa kanila lahat. Magkano yan? Kasi itong 20, kaya to gawin ng kahit simpleng nanay eh. 'Di ba? Oh, magkano kikitain mo? That's 1.1 M pesos monthly income. That is month after month after month after month. Pwede na? Pwedeng pwede. Ako kahit pa, siguro kahit pa abutin ng 5 years, 5 years, or kahit sabihin natin siguro 10 years, no? Kung yan yung naghihintay, abay, dinidiretso na, gawin na natin. Di ba? Kasi ako personally, no, meron ako mga kamag-anak, ayan, okay, meron akong mga kakilala din, okay? Hindi naman sa pag-downgrade or what, no, or binibring down natin, hindi po, kumbaga, mas na-realize ko, kumbaga, mas na-appreciate ko yung ginagawa ko ngayon. Kasi sila, alam mo yun, 20 years na 30, 40 years, magtatrabaho, pero alam mo yun, ganoon pa rin yung cycle. Alright? Yung sweldo ganun pa rin. Di ba? Pero ito, na nakita ko as in, grabe, pwede pala. Ako kahit 10 years, gagawin ko talaga to. Dire-diretso, kung after 10 years naman, ito naghihintay. Di ba? Mm. Okay, so ganun po. Alright? Ayan, basta as long as we're willing, aralin, gawin to, ayan, possible po talaga yan. Alright? So, here are some of the samples of earnings ng ating mga, yan, Live Good Affiliate. Yan, itong ang iting gold, no? So, that time, bago pa lang siya, siguro mga, ito, first, ano ata niya eh. Siguro mga second na, ano na niya, commission, monthly commission, no? 17,000. Okay na siguro? Yan, 17,000. Ayan. Tapos, nag-platinum siya. Ito yung nag-peak, peak income niya. Alright? Umabot po ng double digit, 6 figures. Okay? Ayan, 200 plus thousand. Pwede na? Grabe, no? Oh, talagang life-changing po. Life-changing as in. Okay? And ito namang retail commissions, yan, meron kang 50% bonus on difference between member price and retail price. That means na, for example, yung product natin, sabihin natin tig 1,000, meron siyang patong na 400 pesos. So yung 400 na yun, yung price difference, kasi yun yung retail eh, yung price difference noon 200, di ba? Tig to 200. So pag nakabenta ka noon, 200 sa iyo, 200 sa company. Ayan, ganun po. Pagka online mo binenta. Okay? Tapos, Infinite Wide pa and 10 levels deep. Parang weekly fast start din. Tapos, influencer bonuses naman, you can earn up to 100% difference between member price and retail price. And that means, for example, yung 1,000 pesos na product na yun, na benta mo, na nakapag-hit ka ng sales na 50,000, yung 400 na tubo, instead na 200 sa'yo, 200 sa company, yung 400, pwede ibigay sa'yo ng buong buo. Alright? Tapos na naman piece of the pie money, diamond bonus pool. Ito yung sobrang nakaka-excite. Life-changing. Yan yung sinasabi na shareholder. Parang shareholder ka. Kasi, yung 2% of total sales from all membership and product sales is divided equally among all diamonds. For example, nakapag-sales pa yung company ng 15M times 2%, that is 300,000 US dollar. Let's say meron palang 60 diamonds, which is by the way, mas marami ng diamonds na yun. Doble na. I think 120 as per our CEO. Okay? So, take mo 5,000 US dollar. Yung mga diamonds. Grabe, no? Okay? O, ito naman sample, earnings ng diamond. Ayan. O, parang hindi mo masabing life-changing. O, si Coach Ryan, isa sa mga referrals natin. So, dito, walang pauna-una. Bonus ko nauna ka. Pero, kung tatrabahuin mo, okay, nasa sayo yan. Kasi nauna siya mag-diamond sa akin eh. Okay? O, tingnan mo naman. Okay, hiningi natin, with his consent, 3 months time na income niya. Grabe. Magkano? Tumataginting lang naman na 7. Almost 7 actually. Almost 7 figures na. 16,000 US dollar. Grabe, no? Yung kinita ko ng 6 months actually, 3 months niya na lang kinita nung nag-diamond siya. Ganun kalawit. Ganun kaganda talaga. Okay? Ayan. So, nun po. So, Rich and Famous Money Crown Diamond Bonus Pool, 0.5% of total sales from all membership and product sales divide equally among all Crown Diamonds. Alright? So, for example, ayan, monthly sales ay 15M, same pa rin, no? 0.5%. 75,000. So, divide ng, sabi natin, dalawa pa lang ngayon yung Crown Diamond, which is, by the way, tatlo na. Okay? 37.5 US dollar. Alright? Yung hati-hati ng Crown Diamond. So, ito po yung sample earnings ng Crown Diamond. Si Tim Miller, siya po yung pinakaunang Crown Diamond. And in 13 months time, na-hit niya po yung 7 figures in US dollar club. Ay, grabe. Diba? Kabago-bago ng company, pero may ganun. Kumikita ng ganun, yes. Okay? Eh, matindi kasi, yan, magwa 1 year pa lang yung company actually, pero matindi. Kumita po siya ng 80,000 US dollar or almost 4.5 million pesos. 'Di ba? Grabe. Ganon kalupit. Okay? And of course, that's our future. Alright? And we also have customer acquisition bonuses up to 10 levels deep. Okay? Yung first order, pag yung nag-order yung mga direct members natin, okay, yung 10% nun, will be paid out as customer acquisition, okay, bonus. Same pa rin yung structure niya sa weekly fast start na, okay, weekly fast start yung mayroong infinite wide and 10 levels deep. Okay, and of course, share the sample of our mga affiliates na mga kumita na and kasama na rin tayo doon kahit paano. Okay, as in, talagang life-changing. Okay, yung iba dito medyo outdated na pero okay, what matters is nakikita nyo na meron talagang mga kumikita at nagkakaresulta. Alright, and right now, approaching na tayo to 1.6 million plus paid members. Indeed, the fastest growing MLM or direct sales company for 2024 and in the years to come. Okay? And to tell you, that is only the tip of the iceberg. Okay? Pero actually, yung tip of the iceberg, abot around 5M subscribers. Okay? And 20 to 30 million subscribers will be joining in 10 to 20 years. Right? And our projection, okay, hopefully, no? 2 million subscribers in December 2024. Alright? So, here are the top reasons why you should join. So, we just officially launched globally. Okay, that means na, again, nasa pioneer pa lang tayo. Okay, pioneering. Ibig sabihin, wala pang masyadong nakakilala, ikaw yung mag-i-introduce. Right? So, high quality and very affordable health products. So, lahat yan, no, na makakatulong sa atin, sa help natin i-launch po ng company. Okay? High quality and affordable. And, ayan, ito pa, marketing system, tools, and training. So, as in, spoon feeding na talaga actually. Tatrabahoin mo na lang. Okay? Kasi halos lahat ipaprovide ng company. Okay? Simple, powerful, and yet lucrative and generous pay plan. Okay? As in, sobrang generous. Pag talagang tinabaho mo, ibibigay yung deserve mo eh. Alright? And of course, number 5, successful, fun, and winning team. Alright? So, the question is, are you A, B, or C? Want to become an affiliate member, become a member, or retail customer? The choice is yours. Alright? But I'll leave you with this one verse. No? Jeremiah 29:11. If you've been praying, baka nagpa-pray ka, kagaya ko rin, no? Dati nag-pray din ako. Okay? Tapos, as in, sa dami ng opportunity out there na tinitingnan din naman ibang company, pero dito kami nilagay ni Lord eh. Kaya as in, grabe. I'm just so blessed, no? Sabi pa nga niya dito, for I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper and not to harm you, plans to give you hope in the future. Okay? So, if you really believe na may plans si God sa iyo, okay? Tapos, you want a sign, well, maybe, eto na. Okay? Ang kailangan mo lang gawin is take action. Kasi if you take action, you will get result. Alright? Ayan. Kaya, you have to believe, no? Again, faith without work is dead. Pag may faith ka, pero hindi ka nagtatrabaho, wala. Okay? Ayan. So, ayan, no? Alright, so, thank you. Thank you so much for listening. Get back with the person that invited you and let them know if you're an A, B, or C. So with that, again, thank you so much. Hopefully that you found value sa pakikinig sa akin ngayon. God bless and see you all at the top.
Good Effect is here. Are you ready to be part of the next big thing in network marketing? Listen up, because the message you're about to hear will be a game changer. The network marketing industry is booming. $180 billion in global revenue, 116 million distributors worldwide. But let me tell you, Live Good isn't just another name in the mix. We're setting the industry on fire. We've smashed records, hitting 1 million members in just 13 months, faster than Amazon. And guess what? We're just getting started. Imagine this, the highest quality certified by the USDA organic products at the lowest prices anywhere. People are getting healthier, saving money, and ranking up like never before. Over 4,000 rank advancements just last week. That's unheard of in this industry. And now, we're about to ignite social media with powerful product funnels, ads, emails, landing pages, a co-op, and more. This next wave of growth is set to bring in another 20 to 30 million members in just a few years. And here's the best part. You can get in now, before all that growth explodes. Whether you're a top earner in your current company or just getting started, Live Good is your ticket to something big. You don't need to shift your focus. Just secure your spot and share it with others. Everyone you know is going to hear about Live Good. They might as well hear it from you. Look at some of our products: organic coffee, super greens, CBD oil. These are high-quality organic supplements at unbeatable prices. We're talking $17.95 for organic coffee, $18 for super greens, $14.95 for CBD oil, all backed by a 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. Check out our multivitamins: vitamin D3, K2, Ultra Magnesium Complex. Most of us do not get these vitamins and minerals in our daily foods. We all need these nutrients daily. Our highest quality and affordable prices sets us apart from other direct sales companies. So what's the worst case scenario? You save a ton of money, get healthier, and try the best products on the market. Best case, you save money, get in the best shape of your life, and make some extra cash on the side. With Live Good, nobody loses. Don't miss this opportunity. Get back with the person that shared this film with you. Grab your position, try some products, and watch what happens. Join Live Good today and be part of the Live Good effect.